Hi, this is Bill from Kim's Upholstery. Our project for today is to tighten up this loose chair frame. We'll start by taking the screws out of the corner blocks. Once we have the screws out, we'll use a wooden mallet to knock the frame apart. As you can see, I have a piece of leather permanently attached to my mallet to keep from marring up the surfaces for knocking apart chairs or anywhere that you have to bang on finished wood. You don't want to mark it up. You could use cloth or whatever you have on hand. You'll really want to take your time doing this so that you don't break any of the parts or cause any cracks or scratches anywhere. Just take your time, look at it, get to a point where maybe you can pull it apart by hand. Maybe you have to bang on it a few more times, but it'll come apart eventually. There we go. Now that we have the chair apart, we'll inspect the parts. The dowels are in good shape. The holes are in good shape. There's a lot of glue, as you can see, around the dowels where it was once attached. So we'll take that off the best way we can using a combination of sandpaper and a knife. We'll clean up both sides of the back of the chair. We'll start with the front of the chair by taking the corner blocks the rest of the way off. Clean up any leftover glue on these parts. And finally, sand all the parts smooth. Now we'll mix up some 30-minute epoxy. I like using 30-minute epoxy. It sets up fairly fast, but leaving you time to work with it. It's very strong, sticks to just about anything, and if you have any gaps left in your assembly when you're done, it will fill the gaps, and you won't have to worry about a weak joint. I use a disposable acid brush to apply the epoxy, getting it into the holes and on the dowels. Once all our parts are coated with the epoxy mixture, we'll fit them together. We'll clamp everything together using some cardboard spacers so that we don't mar the wood, and we'll wait for everything to cure. Probably we'll wait a couple hours. Now it's time to add our corner blocks. So we'll coat both sides of this corner block with epoxy. We'll put some epoxy on the frame also, and then we'll put everything in place with screws. A glued and screwed joint is very strong. There you have it. Now we're ready to put the seat on. And please subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook or join us on Google+.